Welcome back to Crescendo Tutorials. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to install RAM cards into the MacBook Pro. Now each MacBook Pro, depending on what year you have it, have different RAM cards. So make sure when you get your MacBook Pro, you look up the serial number and get the exact specifications for the RAM cards you need. Now here, I have two RAM cards in there. You'll see two grooves on the side, two little nubs. If you click the first nub, you'll see it'll let you take out the first RAM card. If you click the second nub, it'll let you take out the second RAM card. So now this computer already came with this first RAM card. It came with this one. So I just looked at the specifications and ordered the second one to update and get more RAM. So you slide it in. Let me take this out. You have a groove right here. Make sure you line that groove up. And the first one, push it in. Make sure it's in. Click it down. And that's how the first one is pre-installed. Now when you want to upgrade, make sure you get the same specifications. Please, this is very important. Get the same specifications for the laptop you have. You'll see the groove right there. Line the groove up. Push it in. Click it down. And there you go. You've now installed more RAM on your computer. Remember, the hard drive is the warehouse of your memory, and the RAM is like the delivery trucks. So the more delivery trucks that can move. Oh, the phone rang. Alright, I'm back. My phone rung. It's alright, we're back. So, I showed you how to install a RAM card, again with the nubs. Take it right out, line the groove, put it in, and there you have it. Now remember, the RAM is like the delivery trucks, and the hard drive is like the warehouse. So the more delivery trucks you have to move your warehouse materials, the faster everything goes. It's like everything's going in and out faster with the more trucks you have from the warehouse. And there you go. Thanks for watching how to install a RAM card into a MacBook Pro. Connector. Let's see, it goes right in.